Like video effects, you can also apply effects to your sound and TikTok video. Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video I am gonna tell you how to apply sound effects to your TikTok sound. So please watch the video till end and also give a like to this video. So let's get started. First of all, tap on plus icon to upload the video or record the video. I am uploading the video because I have already turned on recording camera, so it is not possible to turn on TikTok camera. So let's get started. I have recorded this 3-second video, so now I am uploading it here. Hello TikTok. Now tap on next button. Hello TikTok. Now here tap on voice effects. Hello TikTok. Option above.
Hello TikTok.
Hello TikTok.
Hello TikTok. So I hope guys you will like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Goodbye.